deep pit. Let's draw some wild strawberries. First, draw a berry. Now draw its cap. And of course, a smile. Excellent! Draw one more berry. And a cap for it. And a smile again. Splendid! Now draw a long stem. And another stem. And finally, draw 3 leaves. You have made terrific wild strawberries. Look how happy your wild strawberries are.